All right, ASAP General Contracting. We're working on a pool today in the west side for a client, and you can see how we're putting in a new tile. Tile was bought at Florida Decor. We love this color. We're also going to paint the concrete later. Probably start our first, you might see that in a video later in the day, but basically this is us laying some tile around the outer edge. Pretty easy process. Most homeowners could do it if they just had a board to practice on. So basically that's the tile there. About $14 a square foot. So we've cut it in half to save money. So it's about $7 a square foot. A little loosey-goosey there. May have to redo that one.
Are you able to say that now? I don't know.
I'm gonna need a little bit of glue over here, guys. This one's popped loose right there.
Good.
This one's popped loose. That way you can carefully get some back in there. All right, thank you. Just on the top. The rest of it's running real good, but that top for some reason. So this is an older pool. Pool's about 40 years old, so we're retrofitting the pool. And we have a lot of these imperfections like this. So, and a lot of changes in elevation that we're gonna have to deal with some capping stones. I was over at Florida Decor this morning looking at the capping stones. So we think we found a gray one that's gonna get the job done. I'm gonna go get one later today and okay, nice and slow, nice and slow. Again, not a race.
Yeah,
nice and slow.
I'm not trying to go fast. I'm just trying to be.
Everything do slow. The slower you go, the happier you'll be at the end, I promise.
I know she is.
All right, all right. All right, so ASAP General Contracting, 346-1266, area code 904-346-1266. These are some pieces that we nipped with a nipper. Right here, which is a nipper, and that helps to cut your tile when you need extra pieces. We're gonna have to do some of this down on this end right here. But again, we are gonna take this whole pool and take this tile all the way around. And here is our ugly pool here. Like I said, that was what the prior owner left us to deal with. And our client is having us drain it and probably shovel out about 30 or 40 5-gallon buckets of leaves and biological. And that'll go to the landfill. But when we get done, like I said, we'll caulk it and paint it and get the tile. It's looking great. Y'all's work is really looking sharp considering all the imperfections with, no, this is fine. We're okay with this.
Okay.
Yeah, because it's on the lower portion. Nobody's gonna have an issue with that. Look, it came out real nice. We're not expecting perfection on this one, so there's too many issues with this pool. If we can make it look nice, I think we'll be fine. The client will be fine. All right, well, thanks for watching our videos. That's ASAP General Contracting, putting tile in a pool and getting ready to paint it later in the day. 904-346-1266. Thank you.